look on the little jelly when man have a mango with. You could have get one of the big jelly.
And you look carbide.
Yeah, tell her. Never pick one jelly for you. You can say Tabasco from.
First of December.
Hey, stop, look the bartender. Mr. Darling on the car last time. I go look for teacher. We're not today. See, everybody pick up.
Bless up.
Hey, you know, Jay, I'll fix up everybody doing. I take care of everything doing.
Tony and that.
Tony and everybody take care of it.
Big up on yourself.
Get up our husband. Get up our husband there.
She's fucking everybody. Hold on. You see like what why question we ask what about? What did I say?
I got that time from.
You're the bar girl.
Hello.
Trey. Oh, miss you. Hi guys. I'm watching everything. I'm Miss Marie. Nice to meet you guys.
Blessed love.
You smell nice.
Okay.
You smell nice.
All right. Let's see how we're. That was when I was younger. You see that road up there, so way up there, so me drive go up on one hilltop.
Vanessa.
So me no remember way up the name.
I'm gonna do it.
What you expect? Up there, so when I be able to live. That is it.
You're here.
I'm not really feel no way because I did before me.
Okay. I it's a nice thing, I know for sharing is caring, right?
No man, them never for back. Hey, I pass, you know.
A town you come from?
And they're mobile.
Yeah.
And they're mobile, right here. That is it. A good boy, no man. A good boy, no. A good boy, man.
I'm going to say African. Hey, you know, the whole about people always think they have a cheese, think of when they say the clap, them say, have a cheese.
God bless you. God bless you, alright?
Junior, where go club there?
Go club and Gateway Plaza. I have one round there, so we want, I think I want breadfruit cheese for your right hand going down. Yeah. A regular music join through them places. Sure. Yeah. And when you want to stop the whole of drink or whole of five, you just stop on one of them places. Yeah.
Yeah. Big up Alfred nephew. Cheers. Rich out here. Pass a lot. I tell you. Pass rich out. Man, give a man up with about 5 bills.
Okay now?
What a $50.
A $5,000
$250.
Price Smart Portmore. Anytime I touch Price Smart Portmore, everybody at Price Smart Portmore know me and them I say a long time they want me for 1 week. They want the excitement to create a Price Smart Portmore.
Team Bull. Team Bull.
Taste and buy pepper?
Buy and taste.
Buy and taste.
Buy and taste. I pay shit. Thank you.
Bomba, that's share the banker.
Yeah, share the cashier.
The man all have him cashier, you know? The man now angle the money, cashier, a good businessman. What? Teacher from Shirley also angle the money, that good, that good.
Whisper gone in there, so.
That man,
A bottle with this party for
Them
all
can
of them.
buy something in there, so.
What you say?
A bottle with this party. I'm going in there, so.
Man, say whisper teeth buckle.
Say a line, no?
Them a do, huh?
Him say whisper teeth buckle. I throw.
I sell buckle.
For Chase just say him here say your teeth buckle and come in here. To change.
Man, see my foot up. Back just down on the dragon. Man, say my teeth buckle and come in. What do you do? Exchange one buckle, one empty buckle for a full buckle? No, that don't work. Not time.
Food off in our hand. Food off in our hand. Them two ya are foodie. If you never know, them two ya are foodie. Up full, my lad. How are you?
I wait for you tonight. My number, you know. Yo, man, this one number, you know. Man, see number from far. Spell the man, spell the number, you know. You know how you spell it, you know.
I'm no rock for me, I'm never here.
Because you now watch a YouTube page. I just bartender alone now watch, so tell me say watch for know when we come I know on the town and all them things there. We have to watch it out, yeah man. Watch the other things there, man. So circle, yeah man.
Circle like a pan.
Yeah, forward.
Yeah.
Let me mark her face, Shelly, because I'm going to see her later. Let me mark her face.
And it's on camera too, you know. You're not going to live on camera. Yeah, right. Bartender fun.
I like big woman.
One.
Let's go now.
Which one?
Yeah, it's in there.
Bartender. Pick up yourself.
I got me used to.
No, me wait for you and when I talk and then I dance.
Yes, unless.
This is something I want. And you must sleep. That's something I lean back.
Tinners! Extremely thin.
That is a tin. That's a pin.
As thin as a pin. Yo, mama, you win.
And it is not a sin.
Oh!
Stand the water without fin.
We're listening.
Boom.
Yeah, I'm get that woman. You know how long.
You love the two of them?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?